Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data management with Microsoft Excel, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create a new workbook by selecting New from the File menu. Familiarize yourself with the Excel interface, noting key elements like the ribbon, formula bar, and worksheet tabs. Import your data by clicking on the Data tab. Select Get Data to choose where your data is coming from, such as from a file, database, or online service. Once your data is imported, take a moment to review its structure and ensure it's properly formatted. Utilize the Format as Table feature to improve the readability and functionality of your data. Define your data range by selecting the entire dataset and applying the table format. This will allow you to leverage Excel's sorting and filtering capabilities easily. Next, create headers for your data columns to clarify their contents. Make sure each column has a descriptive name. Then, utilize the Sort and Filter options available under the Data tab. Sorting your data helps in analyzing trends and patterns. You can either sort in ascending or descending order based on your requirements. Consider using Excel's built-in functions for calculations, such as SUM, average, or count. These functions can automate data analysis and save time. To apply a formula, click on the cell where you want the result, type =, followed by the function name and its arguments. For data validation, navigate to the Data tab and select Data Validation. This allows you to create drop-down. Creating pivot tables is another powerful method to summarize large data sets. Select your data range and go to the Insert tab. Then click on Pivot Table and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. After creating a pivot table, drag and drop fields into rows and columns for effective summarization. Use charts for visual representation of your data. Highlight the data you want to visualize and go to the Insert tab. Choose the chart type that best suits your data, such as a bar chart or line graph. Explore conditional formatting to emphasize important data points. Select your data range and find the conditional formatting option under the Home tab. Set rules to highlight cells based on their values. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.